Hi, this is Shauna for Tax Goddess International. One of the most common questions that we get is, Shauna, what is this Tigger report? What's the Tigger report? It's the TGI Analysis Report, TGIAR. And really what we do there, okay, so this is our team. We've been through it all. We've seen it all. Okay, we are analyzing your company and what kinds of things are going to be needed. What kinds of things do we have to do to be able to help you go digital, but do it well, right? So what kind of HR concerns are there going to be? What kind of technology concerns? What about data and security? Speaking of HR, what about different kinds of staff? What about hiring overseas? How does one do that? Okay. Now, the Tigger report can be done across a small department or your entire company. It really depends on what you're trying to do, where you're trying to go. So our process actually starts with a needs assessment. Okay, tell us about you, tell us about where you're at, tell us your goals. What are you trying to get to? You know, are you trying to move from a 100% brick and mortar business to a 100% digital business? Or are you just trying to add on a digital arm? You know, there's a lot of variation in that process, okay? So we start with our needs assessment. Our team then kind of pores over your answers, and the next step is a phone call or a video chat with you and your team to discuss what we see, discuss what kind of options there are, discuss, again, your goals, you know, tell us more, basically a Q&A session to make sure that we're all on the same page. Okay. Now, after we've done that, we're going to ask you to purchase a package. All right. So the analysis portion is free. Okay. Because we need to know who you are. We need to know what it is you want to ensure that we are even the right fit to help you with your goals and your dreams. Okay. Now, if we are not the right fit, we have lots of other partners that are. So we're big on getting you the right person for the right job for what you're trying to do, all right? And those three things, in order for us to feel good about what we do for people, we want to make sure that we only sell somebody anything if it's going to be a good fit for them, okay? So first we do the analysis, then we have a phone call, then we will charge anything at all. Now, the base cost of a Tigger report, the TGI Analysis Report, is $3,500. That fee includes an actual physical printed report. I should say physical. We send it PDF, all digital, right? So we send you a report with the holes, you know, what's going bad that we need to fix, okay? What are the good things that we can build on and grow? And again, making sure that we are writing this report in full across all the different sections you need to be thinking about for your end goal, right? Are you taking the whole business digital or just a specific section of the business? Okay. So really what we are doing is analyzing you, your company, your systems, your people, looking at the different pieces and coming back to you. The report is coming back to you with, here are our suggestions. Which kind of software, how should you do this, in what order should you do this, right? Actually make the move to going digital. So laying out a step-by-step, effectively implementation guide custom for your business on how your business should go digital, okay? So after we deliver the report, we typically give you about a week or two to review the report because it's a lot of information. These reports can range anywhere from 100 pages to 800 pages, okay? They include videos, they include step-by-step guides, they include software recommendations. So these things can be rather massive, okay? But that's where you have our team, okay? So after we deliver the report, you actually have 3 30-minute Zoom sessions to go over Q&A on the report, okay? Now, you can always purchase more time if you need help with additional implementation of a specific section, okay? You can always reach out. We do offer consultancy by the hour on this side. So it's really just more a question of what do you need? Okay, but when we deliver that package, we deliver it with the intention that you never need to ask us anything ever again. Okay, that package includes everything you could possibly need, everything we can possibly think of, so that it is a final delivery. You have the information, and you and your team can go to implement. Now, again, if you need our assistance, absolutely happy to talk about consulting packages on that. Depending on what it is you need, we'll change the cost of the consulting package. But that is the Tigger report, the Tax Goddess Analysis Report. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You can always book a phone call with us. Just go up and go to our website, Tax Goddess International, and click on Contact Us. All right, thanks so much, guys. If you're not in the Facebook group, join the Facebook group. We have tons of information in the Facebook group. All right, thanks. Bye.